Are you one of those who really care about our Mother Nature? Or are you someone who has little empathy towards protecting our environment? I too am guilty of being someone who is not doing enough to keep my surroundings plastic free. We think about it only when we watch something on the TV or read in the newspapers, or maybe when we watch an impactful video on YouTube. But are we not all guilty of not doing our parts? Why only a small minority of people are willing to change their behavior to protect the environment? That's because most of us are in a mode of denial. That's because we only see these in TVs or videos and has no direct effects on our daily lives. And also because in general, humans are short-sighted and are unable to gauge the impact, since most of us don't realize until they are readily apparent. Earth will eventually be uninhabitable for humans. We all, being self-centered, don't realize the urgent need to use the Earth's resources in ways that will allow human beings and other species to continue to exist acceptably on Earth in the future. It is estimated that a total of 500 billion plastic bags are used every year around the world. That means if you lay them next to each other, you can easily reach the sun from the Earth. More than 1 million bags are used every minute, and that 13 million tons of plastic gets dumped into the ocean, including the plastic bags that we use and throw every day. This plastic waste is often thrown away, ends up in the rivers, seas and oceans, and contributes to fill ocean bottoms or float on the water surface. In the same way, these plastics litter beaches with serious consequences on the environment and health. From Arctic to the deepest oceanic Mariana Trench, plastic waste is threatening our seas, killing our wildlife, and polluting our food chain. If you haven't noticed, there's a lot of change happening in our oceans right now. To cut a long story short, if people have started plastic pollution, people can also stop plastic pollution. If we all start thinking of ourselves as a part of nature, not separate from it, we can beat plastic pollution together. Let us all collectively unite and show some empathy to our Mother Nature by recycling our plastics, aluminium, glass and cardboard waste, and let us make our Mother Nature happy and show her that we all love her and that we care for her. Starting from our home, let us work together cooperatively towards goals that are greater than ourselves. This is how we can become responsible future ancestors for generations to come. Working together and immediately, without any further delay, we can stop polluting our oceans that will permanently redefine our relationship with plastics before it's too late. The goal of this video was to make an appeal to all of you and be accountable for our own behaviors and provoke at least a few people to take action. This video is to support a non-profit cause where popular YouTubers like MrBeast, Rober and Matt Fitzgerald teamed up for a noble cause to clean the oceans, rivers and beaches worldwide. Team Seas is a global campaign to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of plastic and trash from our oceans, rivers and beaches. Every single dollar Team Seas raises will go directly to these two non-profit organizations, Ocean Conservancy and the Ocean Cleanup. I am honored to be a small part of this campaign. If any of you want to donate for this cause, the links are given in the description. I believe no contribution is small. After all, drops of water have created our vast oceans, and piece by piece, plastic has created this mess. Thanks for watching. I'll be back next week with another video or two. I'll appreciate if you consider hitting that like button or maybe even subscribing.